Versitex materials are built tough, but when damage happens, the Versitex Repair Kit offers a fast, seamless, and permanent repair solution. In just minutes, you can restore integrity and performance right in the field. To get started, you'll need a utility knife, scissors, and a standard hot iron heated to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. For safety, gloves and eye protection are recommended. Versitex contains fiberglass. Cut the appropriate size patch from the repair sheet using scissors or a utility knife. Position the patch directly over the damaged area. Cover the patch with the provided Teflon sheet. Using a hot iron set to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, apply steady pressure for 45 to 60 seconds. Using a damp cloth, rub the patch briskly to secure the bond. Allow the patch to cool fully before removing the sheet. Gently peel off the Teflon sheet to reveal the repaired surface. The result is a clean, seamless repair, safe for foam surfaces in refrigerated trailers. The Versitex Repair Kit keeps your equipment functional, your costs low, and your repairs field-ready. For more information, visit transtex-llc.com or contact your Transtex representative.